Imagine being able to receive calls, messages, notifications, and even mirror your phone to your computer and directly from your computer. Sounds cool, right? Stick around because I'm going to be taking you through the entire process step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to link your smartphone to your Windows PC. This is a game changer when it comes to productivity and convenience. Imagine being able to receive calls, messages, notifications, and even mirror your phone to your computer and directly from your computer. Sounds cool, right? Stick around because I'm going to be taking you through the entire process step by step. Before we dive in, let's talk about what Phone Link is. Microsoft Phone Link, previously known as your phone, allows you to connect your smartphone to your Windows PC seamlessly. With it, you can receive messages, send out messages, receive calls, make calls, and even mirror your phone screen right on your PC. It's perfect for those of us who are constantly switching devices. Whether you're in the middle of a work project or just lodging at home, you can stay connected without picking up your phone every 5 minutes. Let's dive in. There are 3 things to take note before linking your smartphone to your Windows PC. First thing first, make sure you both your smartphone or your Windows PC are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then, connect your smartphone Bluetooth to your Windows PC Bluetooth. Lastly, make sure you sign in with the same email address on both devices. These 3 things are super important for a smooth connection. Got it? Great. Let's move on. Step 1. On your PC, search for Phone Link in the search bar, or you can click on the search icon or the Windows icon. Now have Phone Link installed. Head over to the Microsoft Store. Wait for it to load. Then search for Phone Link in the Microsoft Store. Then download the Phone Link on Microsoft Store. Now that we've installed Phone Link, let's set it up. Open Phone Link on your PC. Once Phone Link is open on your PC, this screen will show. Choose your device to get started. Select Android if you are using an Android smartphone, or select iPhone if you are using an iPhone. As for me, I'm using a Samsung, so I'll select Android. The next screen it shows is a QR code. Step 3. Grab your smartphone and download Link to Windows from Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Step 4. Open Link to Windows on your Android or iPhone. Then click Sign in using the QR code on your PC. Scan the QR code on your PC to link your Android or your iPhone mobile device. Step 5. Link your mobile device to your Microsoft account. Then enter the code shown on your PC. Allow permissions in Link to Windows to access your mobile device on your PC. In order to receive notifications, messages, photos, and calls on your Windows PC, open Settings on mobile device and unlock your device. Congratulations, you can now view your notifications directly on your Windows PC. With your devices linked, let's explore some of the awesome features. One of my personal favorites is the ability to send and receive messages. You can respond to text without having to look at your phone, which is super beneficial when you're in the zone working on something important. And notifications pop up right on your screen. This means you will never miss a notification while you are multitasking. Plus, you can even access your photos and files right on your PC. Now, while this is an easy process, you might run into a few hiccups. If you're having trouble, ensure that both your devices are updated to the latest version of the respective software. If the connection drops, just restart both the devices and try linking again. There you have it. Linking your smartphone to your Windows PC using the Microsoft Phone Link is convenient, allows for a connected experience that can save you time and improve on your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please hit that button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have questions or if there's another topic you want me to cover. I'll see you in my next video. Stay tech savvy.